Assalamu alaikum. I welcome all the students of class 4 to Sufa E class. And here I am your English teacher Noor Jahan Khan.
Students, in last video we have seen the story of the stag and the pool. Now I am going to read for you the story of the dog in the manger. Once a dog was looking for a nice and comfortable place to lie down. He came to the manger of an ox and jumped onto the hay to rest. It was a very hot afternoon. After a while, the ox returned from the field. He had worked hard in the hot sun and was now quite hungry. He stood in his stall and was planning to eat the hay that was put in the manger for him. However, when he reached for the hay, the dog saw him. Standing in the manger, he began to bark loudly at the ox. Each time that the ox came near the hay, the dog snarled, barked, and snapped at the ox. He would now allow the ox to eat his hay. Oxen are generally peace-loving and patient animals. But finally the ox got upset and spoke firmly. Dog, if you wanted to share my dinner with me, I would not mind it. But you neither eat the hay nor allow me to enjoy it. It is of no use to you. Then why don't you let me have my favorite food? Don't begrudge others what you don't enjoy yourself. Students, I am going to explain the lesson, The Dog in the Manger. Listen carefully. Once a dog was looking for a nice place to take rest. Comfortable place to take rest. Lie down means to have a short rest. Lie down means to have a short rest. He came to the manger of an ox. Where did he came? He came to the manger of an ox and jumped onto the hay to rest. Hay means cut and dried grass used as food of animals. Hay is food for animals that is cut and dried. So he came to rest in the manger. It was a very hot afternoon. How was the afternoon? Afternoon was very sunny and hot. After a while, after a short time, the ox returned from the field. The ox came back from the field. He had worked hard. That day he worked very hard in the hot sun and was now quite hungry. He was quite hungry because he had worked very hard for the whole day in hot sun. He stood in his stall. What do you mean by stall? Stall is a part of a cattle shed or stable. Generally, each animal has one stall for itself and was planning. He was thinking to eat the hay that was put in the manger for him. However, when he reached the hay, what happened when he reached the hay? The dog saw him. What did he do? The dog? Standing in the manger, he stood in the manger and began to bark loudly at the ox. Now we will come to know why he barked at the ox. Each time that the ox came near the hay, what did the dog do? He snarled. Snarled means growling sound of a dog. Every time when the ox came near the hay, he started growling. Barked and snapped. Snapped means he jumped at the ox to bite as if he want to bite him at the ox. He would not allow the ox to eat his hay. Oxen are generally peace-loving and patient animals. Oxen, plural of ox, are generally, they did not fight. They are peace loving and patient. They are always calm and quiet. Have you seen the ox, cows? They did not fight with each other. They are peace loving and patient animals. But finally, the ox got upset and spoke firmly. The ox was upset because he did not allow him to eat his hay. So he was very much annoyed with the dog and he started speaking. He spoke firmly. What did he say? He said, "Dog, if you wanted to share my dinner, you can have it. If you wanted to have my dinner, you can have it. I would not mind it if you eat all my dinner. But you are not allowing me to eat the hay. But you neither eat the hay. You are not eating the hay and not allowing me to eat this, my favorite food. It is of no use to you." As you all know, dogs are carnivorous animals. They don't have grass. They don't eat grass at all. So it is of no use to you. Then why don't you let me to have my food? The ox asked him, you are a carnivorous animal and you don't eat hay. Why don't you did not allow me to eat my favorite food? Don't begrudge others what you don't enjoy yourself. Don't begrudge. Begrudge means be unwillingly to give. Be unhappy that someone is getting something. So don't feel jealous. Don't begrudge others if you don't have that thing. What you don't enjoy yourself. If you don't have it, don't be jealous of it. Let's have a quick review of this story. This story is about a dog who was restless, jealous kind of animal. Once he came near a manger. Manger is a long open box in a cattle shed. The dog jumped onto the hay to rest. As it was very sunny afternoon, the ox came back from the field after working so hard that he became very hungry. As he reached there to eat the hay, what did he see? He saw that the dog was standing in the manger. He tried to eat the hay, but the dog started barking very loudly at him, jumping again and again, growling to show the ox that he will not let him to eat his hay. Without getting angry, the ox felt upset by the dog's activities. He asked the dog whether he wanted to eat his hay. You can have it. Being a carnivorous animal, it is of no use for him. Don't waste time in such foolish activities and let me have my dinner. Lastly, he told him getting upset by seeing others having something will make you unhappy. Better to try for your own things. Let us see some meanings. Manger. Manger means long open box in a cattle shed. Hay. Hay means cut and dried grass used as a food for animals. Stall. Part of a cattle shed or stable. Generally, each animal has one stall for itself. Begrudge. Begrudge means be unwilling to give, be unhappy that someone is getting something. Here I am giving you some questions so it will make you able to answer the teacher's questions quickly. For example, who was looking for a nice and comfortable place? You will answer like this. A dog was looking for a nice and comfortable place. Again I am asking, who was looking for a nice and comfortable place? Your answer will be, a dog was looking for a nice and comfortable place. Question number 2. For what the dog was looking for? The dog was looking for a nice and comfortable place. Where did he come? He came to the manger. Where did he come? He came to the manger. How was the afternoon? How was the afternoon? The afternoon was very hot. How was the afternoon? The afternoon was very hot. Who returned from the field? The ox returned from the field. From where did the ox return? The ox returned from the field. Who worked hard? The ox worked hard. Who was hungry? The ox was hungry. Who was standing in the manger? The dog was standing in the manger. Where was the dog standing? The dog was standing in the manger. What did he do? The dog snarled, barked, and snapped at the ox. How are the oxen? How are the oxen? The oxen are peace-loving and patient animals.